Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for your walk-behind mower, the Arnold 12-inch wheel. We found this product online and added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The Arnold 12-inch wheel is a high-quality plastic wheel designed specifically for walk-behind mowers. With dimensions of 12 inches in diameter and 1.75 inches in width, this wheel is built to handle tough mowing tasks. It features a bar tread pattern, which provides excellent traction and stability on various terrains. So whether you're mowing a flat lawn or tackling hilly areas, this wheel is engineered to keep you moving smoothly. One of the standout features of this wheel is its half-an-inch diameter nylon hub. This durable hub is designed for easy installation and compatibility with a range of mower brands. The offset adapters included in the package ensure that you can fit this wheel onto various models seamlessly. It's compatible with popular brands like Craftsman, Husqvarna, Poulan, Poulan Pro, Yard Machines, Yardman, and many others that use 12-inch rear wheels. So, if you have one of these mowers, you're in luck. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a homeowner with a walk-behind mower, this wheel can be a fantastic addition to your lawn care toolkit. It's especially helpful for those who have older mowers that may need a wheel replacement due to wear and tear. Additionally, if you're a lawn care professional, having spare wheels like these can be a lifesaver on the job, ensuring that you can keep mowing without interruptions. Let's talk about practical use cases. Imagine you're in the middle of mowing your lawn, and you hit a bump or a rock, and suddenly your wheel gets damaged. Instead of being sidelined, you can easily swap in the Arnold 12-inch wheel, allowing you to continue your work without missing a beat. Its 50-pound load rating per wheel means it can handle the weight and stress of your mower during those tough mowing sessions. In summary, the Arnold 12-inch wheel for walk-behind mowers is an excellent choice for anyone looking to replace or upgrade their mower wheels. With its durable construction, compatibility with